Hi guys. First of all, congratulations for all the CMA inter and final students who have cleared their examination. And this video, I'm just doing a result analysis, like how the institute has given the CMA Institute about the pass percentage, all that. And one more important thing, please remember, those of you who failed in the examination, see, definitely instead of feeling worried or instead of feeling bad, of course, definitely when we fail, we definitely feel, definitely bad. Like what you need to do instead of feeling bad and worrying all that, first, again, just focus on what should be done so that in the next exam, at least you can qualify with even more better marks, even more. In fact, I can say you can in the next attempt, you have to try for rank because you're having again time. Okay, so fine. Anyhow, I'll be talking about what should be your plan of action in the next 2.5 months, and what is this result analysis, all that. So like if you look at only group one, those students who have appeared only in group one, like they have approximately some 20 students have just a minute. So approx 25,000 students have attempted only group 1 and 4,800 have qualified. So resulting 19% pass percentage, and group 2 we are having 24% pass percentage. So actually a student who paid for both but only passed either one of the group. Any one group they have qualified 13 and passed both the group 15%. And this pass percentage is relatively higher compared to June 22 examinations. If you recollect June pass percentage, the pass percentage was relatively lesser compared to this. Literally speaking, this December attempt, the CMA inter pass percentage is really good. However, the final pass percentage is again pathetic. Like the institute have, really has issued a single digit pass percentage for CMA final. But for CMA inter, it is decent, I can say. But believe me, the next June 23 exams onwards, whatever June 2023 exams are going on, right? That and December, especially, by the way, in this December 22, May, the syllabus which is covered for exam is 2016. But for June 23 exams, 2022 syllabus is going to be tested, which is completely new, scheme in the CMA Inter. And I feel the papers are going to be again at par with the CA Institute, or all that. Like generally we have this notion CMA exams are relatively easier compared to CA exams, but believe me, next June 23 onwards, this is going to change. CMA Institute is trying, to bring the students even more best in the industry. Okay, they are trying to, because we can see many a times, even in CMA, the many who have qualified CMA, they are getting very good opportunities and they are excelling in their careers, all that. So the institute is also trying to put up increase of the standards, and that's what reflected in the syllabus also. Whatever 2022 syllabus, right? So on that, it is very much reflected the intention of the institute. The standards are increasing. Please awake, getting it, wake up. Please be, wake up now at least. So from June 23, the examination standards are going to be high. The valuation is going to be again, it will be very, very accurate. The pass percentage, there is a chances that it will be lesser. So you need to gear up your preparation now itself. Don't take it granted. Don't think CMA exams are going to be easy now onwards. It is going to be tough. It is going to be like CA exams, from June 23, based on especially 2022 syllabus. Suppose if at all you're a 2016 student syllabus, what I recommend is, if conversion option is there, convert into 2022 syllabus. Now you might immediately get one more doubt. Sir, what about 2022 syllabus? Do we need to take coaching? Yes, you have to. If at all possible, take coaching. Now we are in the month of March. Okay, you are still having 2 months of solid time. You are still having 2 months of solid time. Getting it? Where you can focus one single group. One group you can focus and successfully complete in the next June exam easily without any much difficulty. Getting it? Just a minute. So we at Sresta, we are offering based on 2022 syllabus, subscription model for group 1 CMA Inter and subscription model for group 2 of CMA Inter, and both the groups, where you can find all latest updated video exclusively recorded for CMA students. Only for financial accounting and corporate accounting, we have used 30% of the recordings from CA Inter, and they were also we are going to replace for December students. For now, June attempt students, major recordings were ready, materials were ready, classes were ready. So I'm just referring in case if you're looking for coaching classes. So kindly don't get disappointed with your result if at all you have failed. And those who have qualified, really wholeheartedly congratulating you, because especially those who have qualified in final CMA, even though the pass percentage was very tough, in spite of it you qualified, which means you did tremendous job. That's it. So why late? Start your preparation as soon as possible without much delay. Maximum take 3 to 5 days gap, but don't take beyond that. Getting it? Start immediately the preparation. In fact, in the past 2 months you are in the break. So if at all you ask me sincerely and honestly, start from now itself the preparation. Plan your agenda. We are having how many days? Like you see, how many days we are having? Almost we are having 2 solid months. Exams are going to be in the June month. Getting it? So 2 solid months you are having enough. And even in this March we are still having 1 more week. So we are having almost, I can say, 70 days, out of which 10 days if you take off leaves, 60 days we are having 60 days time. Even if you can study 10 hours a day, 600 hours of study time you're having. You know what? 600 hours means CMA into I can focus one full group, plus I can do 2 more subjects of other group right from the scratch. If you start from the scratch with, in the next 600 hours of time, within the 600 hours of time that you are having one full group, you can start studying from the scratch. You can take the class and study, and 2 more subjects also you can focus. Or if you want me to tell you conservatively, one full group you can take up. One full group, if you start from the scratch, you will clear in the coming June 23 examination, damn sure. Just keep in mind, I will come up with a detailed preparation strategy for the June 23 examination students. Okay, very soon I will be uploading 2 months preparation strategy for June 23 examinations. Okay, so just now I just want to do a video on the result analysis, and that's it. So be careful, wake up, be focused, study sincerely, and you will definitely do well in the next attempt.